Welcome. This Otter AI description and instruction on how you're supposed to go about it. Now, Otter AI is basically an AI version of that facilitate dictation, more so when you're creating essays or you're creating the AI agents commands. I have used Otter AI to record 4 hours of my speech, of which I then place them on the Word document, and then I used Grammar AI to check the grammar and to define my passive voice active errors, and also to check for the punctuations. So ni one of the applications ambayo mimi naona iko vizuri sana, inaweza kusaidia sana sana kutengeneza content, or even actually to record someone talking and get a transcription for this. So by the end of this session, I'm going to expect you to send me an Otter AI file as a link shared to me, 3 minutes conversation instructing it to prompt the response of the 2 questions I had actually shared. The ones we're supposed to create a video recording in response of the same. Now this one will be on the audio file. Now for the Otter AI, I hope each and every person can be in a position to see my shared screen. And sharing this entire window. If someone cannot be able to see it, you'll just let me know, and then I'll reshare it again. But then for the Otter AI, you're supposed to go to otter.ai agents. That is OTTER.ai. You can either start a free version. For me, I have a premium account, but then I'm going to start using a free account. You can always register using an email address, and whereby you will have limited access to you'll have limited access to the account. So I'm gonna sign in with Academic Perfect, since I have a free account with Academic Perfect, and the sign up process is basically the same. So you're gonna sign up using the email. Let's give it a second to load. Then of course you say continue. Upon which it will now take you to its platform, to its dashboard, and you can see I've done a sizable section of my dictations from these. Now this one is a free version, and they usually give you about 300 minutes. They usually give you about I'm not sure for the free. For the pro, they usually give you from 300 minutes on a monthly basis, but then you can upgrade your account to longer if you have longer project. Now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to create an account on Otter. On the dashboard, you have an AI agent. You can also navigate the interaction section and check on how some of those things you can integrate with Slack for communication, and of course the Zoom. For the Microsoft, I think it's just the Teams. Yeah, so the integration is just necessary, basically how you can link your Otter account with the integration. So for the plans, this way now we show you the number of minutes they can give you per every subscription per month. Started with for Pro starts with $8.33. It's about 1,000 Kenya shillings for business. Now the only difference is the minutes assigned. So you see now the first one is 90 minutes meeting, 4 hours. That means hours in terms of dictation. Now let's go back to the business homepage and dashboard. Now to record a session or to record something, you're supposed just to come and now hit the homepage. Of course, at the very top is a record section where I can record anything I want. Now in this case, I'm going to record something and then from there you can be in a position to also cover the same and send me a submission of the recording. That's 3 minutes recording for the same. So I'm gonna hit the record button, record, and of course you have to allow. Hello, I'm recording this session. To facilitate me in my transcription project, due in a few minutes. And of course then after that you're supposed to hit stop recording, and it's supposed to give you the content you have recorded through narration. Now I'm using a different an external microphone, so I don't know if it has interfered with my recording for the session, for the Otter, but let's see what it's gonna give us. So you're supposed to, this week is supposed to have Otter AI create a transcription. Remember, on the WhatsApp group we offer 2 questions you're supposed to submit. Remember, some of you have not yet submitted the videos, and on my record sheet for the task submission I see I've not yet ticked a number, so I'm going to impact your grading and also your recommendation report. So make sure you send it, and that's it. Now they have said that they have recorded. Automatically they will find on the day and the time you submit. Now 11:47, today's on February 25th. I can click it to see my speech. Now I think in this case, you see now there's nothing. I think my external microphone has interfered with that, so I'm going to plug out the microphone and then retry it again. Yes. So let me first of all go to home, and then I'll come here, ready to hit that record button, but then let me remove the microphone first and use the laptop's microphone. Hello, my name is Steven. I'm testing this Otter AI application to see if it can help me in my transcription, and also to ensure that I can be in a position to share the same information with others attending industrial training here at Context Expert Agencies Limited. I need these transcriptions well written, cleaned, and well covered. Thank you. Now I'm gonna hit the stop button from there. So remember, every time you record, you're supposed to also hit the stop option. Now you see, now we have 11:49. We have my second speech, which is this one. So I'm gonna get the transcript. You can check on the transcript. You see, hello, my name is Steven. You see, it's actually recording now. What I'm gonna expect from you is now this transcript is supposed to be like 30 minutes of the transcript. Oh, sorry, 3 minutes of the transcript. So you'll come, share, and then you select the email address, or you copy the link here and send this link to me via academicperfect@gmail.com. At the same time, you can come and play it here, because it always replaces what you've been transcribing. I don't want you editing and cleaning. I just need the transcript as it is. Sometimes you'll find that the AI does not capture the name well. Like now, for Steven, it has written Steven instead of Steven, but then I just need the transcription as it is. So remember, supposed to be 3 minutes long. Now from there, you can get a summary after it has processed. You can go to home page. You can give it some few minutes to process the conversation, and then from there you can just get the final draft of the transcript. Yeah. So you can also now from there you can also copy this section and go to a different AI agent. Maybe you can use Cloud remember we have also been using Kimi 2.5, the Chinese version for coding, but then it also works very well. So in this case I'm going to use either Copilot for Microsoft or just use the cloud. In this case let's just the cloud. So the integration of how to use various I think the ability to use various AI agents, various AI applications, to simplify the function, the task done is very important, sababu inasaidia kurahisisha kazi. You can create a content ambayo ni safi na ni mingi in terms of quantity and in a short period of time. So part of the task for submission today is to create it, and in the preparation for the creation of web development content, hasa tunatengeneza content hasa za SEO, search engine optimization for next week. So you have to know how to work on these cloud. So here you can use on Otter. Now we shall use cloud to clean this content, and allow me a minute to receive a call. Hello. Mwambie afike nisikie vizuri natakaje. Mlete mpaka hapa. So we are supposed to use the cloud AI to clean this content. So I'm just gonna say clean this content, and then I'm gonna get the transcripts from Otter AI, and yes. Now you see we already got the summary for the same. So I'm gonna copy the summary, this one, and then I'm gonna paste it on the cloud AI. So I'm gonna hit clean. Also the same can also do on Microsoft Copilot. So to get the final draft, and you see now it has actually removed the filler. So you can imagine now cleaning the content for an AI for 1 hour. You can do so much. In next week we shall be covering be creating large articles on for organic traffic. That's to optimize search engine optimization to post on our blog. So I'm gonna give you a few minutes to check on these, to identify and to see some challenges, and I'm gonna stop recording for now.